What's up, everyone? It is Mitchell J, the Scaredy Cat Guide, and just want to do a quick look at Bitcoin after the weekend. So Sunday's daily candle just closed about 45 minutes ago. So as you can see, we made another run at 6,800, and that seems to be the ceiling. And like I said, that was our next price point. That was our next essentially level of resistance, and it is acting accordingly. So as you can see, we had that intraday spike last week, got up there, failed, sideways. In fact, in that same day, we basically tested the top and the support, so that was interesting. Anyway, kind of range bound. So the next 2 days, same thing, and then we finally pushed up, actually poked through 68, closed below it, and then the next day, boom, pushed down. As in the candle I just closed, and so far we're just up a tiny bit. The good news about this, though, is that one, we keep pressing the 1600 level, and at the same time kind of consolidating and letting this 10-day period catch up, so that's good, as opposed to spiking back down to it. So like I said, this is just a short-term average I like to look at sometimes, because when you pull away from it pretty far, you're either going to go sideways or revert back to it in the very near future. So I don't mind seeing this happen, and we'll see if we can consolidate here a little more, and then we can get a push. Because if we can push through 68, we should see a nice move, up into the sevens. And then obviously, longer term, you're looking at this 76, 77 level as a upside price target. But that's pretty much the deal. So nothing crazy happened over the weekend. We made another, like I said, another attempt at 6,800. It did not close above 6,800, unfortunately, but at the same time, the price action still is looking relatively positive in its attempts to push to 6,800. So we'll see what happens. I mean, like I said, we pushed up, consolidated sideways, technically pushed up, and now we're consolidating sideways again, even if it's just a little bit. So if we can consolidate sideways and then push up one more time, that'll get us above 68, maybe to this little consolidation here around 6,900, and then we can push forward from there. So that's the deal. Nothing crazy. Like I said, know your price points, so we know what they are. Our support right now is around 64, 6,200. Upside, again, we want to break the 68 so we can make a run at 77. And that is it. I will put links in the show notes, as always, for all the free crypto training I have and some other stuff. All right, see you guys later.